So now we're going to talk about Elementor. Now, there's many different ways to build a website. There's many different ways to build websites for your clients. So why do we use Elementor? Well, basically, you'll notice from this website here that 8.8 million websites are currently use Elementor worldwide. So there's good support, there's good infrastructure. If you need help, it's easy to get it. I tried a few different ways of building websites before I started with this Elementor, including coding from scratch. And I found that Elementor was an easy way to get into it. There is a learning curve, of course, but it's not as difficult as other page builders to use, and certainly not as difficult as coding from scratch. So, if you look on YouTube, there's many coders even who use it because it's quick and easy to get websites built for your clients. And to be honest with our clients, oftentimes they care about the results, they care about generating leads, they care about how their website looks. They're not worried about how efficient the code is. So that's something you have to keep in mind. So that's why we decided to use this. And once you've decided on a system to use, good to really focus in on that, really try to get good at it, get good at using the software that you've decided to use. In our case, we use Elementor, and it's worked very well for us, and building websites on scale has been very good with Elementor. So that's why we decided to use it above other plugins, and that's what we've used for our agency. You'll notice as well that a lot of really big sites with a lot of traffic use Elementor. It's not just a small website tool for individual users. You just see here some of the websites that use really massive international websites and getting 193 million monthly visitors. So a lot of even big companies use Elementor for their businesses. So it's good, it's robust, and it's a really good platform to start if you're looking to start an agency. So what about the pricing? Well, the pricing is here. Compared to other plugins, again, it's very reasonably priced for what you're going to do and how you're going to sell your package in the future. So usually when I'm selling to clients, I would do site maintenance, which is keeping the website running smoothly. The Elementor Pro license is a part of that. The hosting is a part of that. Usually it would cost about £5 or £6 UK to host, pay for Elementor, depending on how many sites you have using it. And I would usually charge them different prices, but it was at the end it was starting at £28 per month and moving up from there. So it's covered by the price of the monthly package that you will charge. It's something we'll talk about later, but it's a very wise investment. We will be using the Elementor Pro version because basically it cuts our workflow from quite challenging to not challenging at all. If you're looking for workarounds, basically Elementor Pro allows you to build headers, allows you to build footers, allows you to use all the different widgets in there. The world's open to you, and you can use lots of different things in your web design. With Elementor Free, you can use it, and if you're more concerned about saving funds at the beginning, rather than trying to scale your web design agency as quickly as possible, then you can use the free version. That's something we'll explore in a future section, hopefully. But for the time being, we're just going to work with Elementor Pro. And if you're serious about this as a business and selling to small businesses who want their websites to be effective, it's an investment that you're going to need to make at one point or another. Web design is very good. It's not like many other traditional businesses where you have to spend a fortune on tools at the beginning or vehicles or whatever it might be. There is still some costs up front, but they're very reasonable compared to other businesses, and that's what you have to keep in mind. A little bit of investment, but not a crazy investment to get yourself started. Depending on what you want to do, you can always scale these packages up. I would recommend going for this package. This is up to 25 sites. This allows you to build your own personal website. It allows you to build a few free websites for your friends and family to get yourself started. And then after that, it allows you to get your first sort of, 12 to 15 clients. And then by that point, you get much more comfortable, and then you can upgrade to this package. But if you get this package here at the beginning, yes, it's a $200 spend. And sometimes they offer Black Friday deals where this price goes down. But yeah, worth the investment in my opinion, especially if you're serious about doing a web design agency. Again, if you're just wanting to dip your toe in and you want to see how it goes and see how you get on with the software, then you can go with this package and do up to 3 sites, and that gives you an opportunity to do that. So yeah, that's the Elementor license. Now we'll talk about how to use that and how easy Elementor is to install and use and start on the web design. But yeah, just wanted to fill you in on the packages and what you need to do in order to get yourself started. Please use the link in next to the video. It really helps to support the channel or to support the course, and we really appreciate you using the link because we get a little kickback, which helps to support others who might want to use this course for free and can't afford it. So thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.